Connects an aftermarket stereo with video input to the factory backup camera. Not compatible with vehicles with no backup camera. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory quality wire and connectors. Backed by Scosche's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. Top reviews from the United States. It works. Used this harness with my 2016 Frontier SV King Cab. Pretty easy installation, just attach connector to factory harness, find a ground and splice the purple signal wire to the aftermarket radio and works as described. Fits 2018 Nissan Frontier USA made. This made installing an aftermarket head unit easy. Was able to retain OEM camera and steering controls, with another adapter. Please update that it fits USA model 2018 Frontiers.